Canna Gabriel, or Indian shot. The Gabriel canna lily, with its beautiful coral pink lily-like flowers, was bred right here at the Auckland Botanic Gardens. This lovely lily prefers a sheltered site in full sun to partial shade with free-draining soil, but will tolerate drier soils. Gabriel's gorgeous blooms are produced generously throughout summer and into autumn and contrast well to the broad, bright green leaves. But beware, like all members of the ginger family, cannas are greedy growers who require plenty of fertilizer every spring and summer to ensure the clump remains vigorous. Interpreting the canna lily, we have the ever-changing boy, Björn Aslund, a creator, collaborator, and performer based in Monty. Trained at the New Zealand School of Dance, they have worked professionally in classical and contemporary dance companies, including Java Dance Theatre, Primarily Dance, Loco Arts, and ballet collective Aotearoa. They also freelance as a teacher, cabaret, and drag performer. Blurring the boundaries between gender and genre with their dynamic and quixotic performance and choreographic style, their works are mysterious and fabulous, creating strange, beautiful worlds and characters. Being both highly technical and precise, the ever-changing boy uses dynamic imagery and design to convey their ideas.